Sunny October afternoon peeps. So sunny I have to squint my eyes. And these fields offer detecting places for maybe years. So my intros maybe need some extra thinking because these are getting kinda similar, but the intro is not the point. The point is the soil and the finds, and that's why you're watching these videos, I guess, not because of my pretty bearded face. Let's hit the soil. And first find 9mm cartridge case, like in CSI. They also always say every second case that they find is 9mm. The first coin already. A 1 penny from 1860s or 70s. It has bent really badly, but you can maybe see the monogram of Alexander II on the back, large A. But I don't know if I can even after cleaning figure the year from this poor little thing. And then the coins just keep coming. Very worn out copper, very old copper coin. I can't yet. Right now I don't even have a clue what it is. But if I get the clue in home, I will make a sort out of this. But coin's always a coin. Something tells me that this is not some of the most common finds, like Ulrika Eleonora's or Frederick I's 1 öre coins. This is something scarcier. Don't know how to pronounce the scarce correctly. Now this went just crazy. Very near of the last video's silver finding spot, I find another Gustav III's face silver coin from 1779. Unbelievable. Now these are some squares that I need to detect very closely with great care, because someone has really seeded the ground with these silver beauties 200 years ago. Wow. Just wow. I of course already thought another silver when I saw the peak of this color from the ground, but then the modern age struck me hard, and it was this. Then a tiny 22 caliber bullet. It has landed here without hitting anything. and I again sound like a CSI agent from TV. Nothing special, but not in the trash bin either. I was already wondering where are all the nasty buttons, but then I got one. Beginning of the 1700s. Nice. But rather coins, thank you. And take a glimpse of surrounding countryside in October sun. If this doesn't want to make you travel to Finland, then what does? There's sugar beet harvest is still going on. There's tractors and the harvesting machine, and they're making more room for detectorists, and that's kind of the farmers. Then the buttons keep coming. Hole unbroken, dome shaped little button. But I want coins. More silver. Thank you, Mother Earth. Naturally, first I thought this was a coin, but no, it's made of lead, and it looks like it has some gravings on it, but I can't see any sense in them. Probably they're just random. But if you have ideas, please comment. Another 9mm looking pistol cartridge case, but I'm not sure. But this is in such a good condition that I can go to waffenlager.net to determine what these markings on the bottom mean. This may be a rare ammunition, who knows, or at least some historical. Weird Tangua shaped iron rectangle. Maybe it's the Tongue of Iron Maiden. Bruce, if you're watching this, please comment and subscribe. And an tin or aluminium tube from the days when tube didn't mean video streaming or anything electronically transmitted videos. But this is pure trash. A broken half of a semi-ancient belt buckle frame. You can even see the places for where the prongs have been, and it has been a beautiful and semi-valued piece of outfit back in the day. Now the focusing and or zoom, they're playing tricks on me. But you can see what this is. Look how I surprised the little sweetie. There she was hiding for centuries in her soil, piece of soil, and then came the detectorist and released her from her dirty prison to be with friends in detecting find collection and maybe in some showcase. But let's see what you are. You glisten like silver, but what are you? Wait a bit. I'll brush it a little, then continue. And oh my, second silver coin of the day. 50 pennies from 1865. The second year of Finland's own currency. And on the back there's the Russian double-headed eagle there, but we don't want to emphasize on it. We want to emphasize this Finnish word penniä and the beauty of the date. Oh man. Thank you soil, thank you heaven. Wow. Button so round and regular and smooth and large that I thought this would be a coin, but no. It was a button, but reusable button anyhow. And a musket ball. It has hit something sometime. And the sun is going to set in less than an hour, and I've still got to walk detecting there and back, and let's hope there's not too many finds so I can make it there before dark. Joking. And then interesting shape. It's copper wire binded together. This is probably from that electricity house that stood there 50 years ago. Wire has been attached to something with something that has gone through this hole. Once again, the signal is now so good that I'm willing to bet my honor for backing that it's a coin. Large copper most likely, but could also be a large silver. But it's down and front of my carrot digger, so we'll see if I'm honorable man soon anymore. And I am man of honor indeed. Swedish Royal Arrows crossed and year 2 öre silvermynt. Year most likely 1765 could be. And on the back there's the heraldic stuff. it's a lion on that field, the coat of arms, and this is most likely Adolf Fredrik's coin. I don't remember all the exact years when the Sweden switched kings, but lovely large copper coin. This stuff feels almost as good as silver ones, but I wouldn't change either. Great day, great day. Came another end of a nylon rope. This is trash, really, but I'm glad there wasn't anything nasty in the other end when I pulled it. Now what are you? Looks like there's some carvings made on purpose, but I really don't know. If you have ideas, please comment. Oh, look at the skies. Wanted to share this. That cloud carpet turning orange and pink soon, and wow. But what comes to metal detecting, it's getting dark, too dark to see, and I'm walking back to my car detecting, and then I may record a goodbye clip or then not. Totally up to me. Getting hungry, and see you in next video. Bye. Okay, one clip till the end. It's really getting dark now, and oh boy, this was a great trip. 5 coins, of which 2 were silver. Yesterday and today my detecting carriers first and second face silvers with king's picture on them. That's a great place to call it a day, and see you next time.